Back to Twitter. China reacting to Elon Musk's takeover of the social media platform. Joining us to talk about the potential impact of President Xi's messaging about China to the world is Eunice Yoon. Hey, Eunice.
Hey, Joe. Well, like over there in the U.S., Musk's takeover of Twitter is a top trending topic here in China. The general feeling online is that under Musk management, the discourse under Twitter is going to become much more like social media here, people are saying. In other words, much more pro-Beijing. Now, the fear, of course, has been that human rights activists as well as China critics has been that because Musk and Tesla are so dependent on the Chinese market, that could influence how Musk manages the content on the site. In fact, last year, China accounted for a quarter of Tesla's revenue. And since China, which is, of course, the world's largest car market, will continue to dominate the EV space, a lot of analysts believe that Tesla won't even be able to meet its global sales target without China. Now, as we know, Musk has been forging very close relationships with Chinese authorities, and the Chinese authorities have been very supportive of Musk's investment. As an example, in an interview with the Financial Times, Musk had suggested that Taiwan should be a special administrative region of China, and that triggered praise from the Chinese ambassador in D.C. In fact, the ambassador has been elevated just as of this weekend to be among the top trusted cadres of President Xi, and there's been several rumors that he's going to be returning to Beijing. Now, today, the foreign ministry said that it wouldn't comment on the takeover, but again, there are many people here who believe that that Twitter under Musk's management might not stop some of what they see as misinformation campaigns by Beijing. Joe?
Yeah, I hadn't even considered China's perspective on what this will mean, but I mean, they watch everything we do, so I'm sure they're going to be watching what comes out on Twitter, Eunice.
Yeah, that's right. And again, the fear is that Chinese officials and that the government, especially under Xi Jinping, is going to want to exploit and leverage off of that relationship and the influence that they would have over Musk.
Right. All right. Very good. Thanks, Eunice.